Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can eject and remove a SIM card on the iPhone 15 series. First, go and get yourself a SIM pin. It should come along with your new purchase. And then go to the left hand side of your device. And over here, you can see there is a small hole. What you want to do is insert the SIM pin into this hole, like so, and then push it in. Once you push it in lightly, the SIM tray will pop out, and you will see it will say no SIM available. This is because we have now ejected the SIM card. So pull out the SIM tray, then flip it over and let the SIM fall down to your hand. Next, we're going to put the SIM tray back in and then push it all the way in. And that's it. Now we have successfully removed the SIM card out of the iPhone 15 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.